In this video you will learn how to apply the usage analysis in Adonis. Let's say you are interested in an overview of the assets a distinct process has references to. Click on the three dots, point to show usage and then select references. Use the filter to display only certain references. You can open the object's properties and click on the reference to follow it. Now, let's see how we can check where an object, e.g. a role, is used. Right-click on the desired object, point to show usage and then select references. Click on the reference to follow it. Alternatively, double-click to open the object's properties. Open the Tasks, Race chapter. Now, you can see everything that this role is responsible for. Have a look at the Adonis online help for more information.